Show me the cat. I know. She doesn't want to sleep. Oh, doctor. Yes? Doctor, my cat doesn't sleep. Don't sleep? Okay, I am coming. Okay. Wait. Hello. My cat doesn't want to sleep. Show me the cat. I know. This cat doesn't want to sleep because she wants to play. Play? Yay! Bye. Thank you, Doctor. Come on, play. This cat is fine. She wants to eat. Cat likes this one. Eat. My cat doesn't eat. I'll call the doctor. Hello. My cat doesn't eat. Doesn't eat? Oh. Wait. What's happened? You need to open this. Open? Ah! Come on. Okay. Bye. Thank you, Doctor. Yay! Cat, come on, play. Na 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 na. Oh. Come on, cat. Don't want to play? Doctor! Oh! Yes? Doctor, my cat doesn't play with me. Not play? Okay, wait. What happened? My cat doesn't play. She wants to sleep. Huh? Sleep? Cat needs to sleep, eat, and play every day. Ah, okay, Doctor. Bye. Bye. Now my cat sleeps. I'll make for her toys. Come on with me. We need one box and one daddy shirt. Finish! I make box for cat. I like my cat.